Everybody, this is Jenise. Welcome to Timeless Fluid Art. I'm trying a different kind of mixture today. So far, it's been okay, but I'm not too, because I did not let this paint stay overnight, you know. I'm trying to get something that I don't have to worry about letting it stay overnight, but so far, it's failed. But now I'm going to try something else. I'm not going to use as many colors as I normally do. I'm just going to use, let's see, light blue. I don't know if I want to do the dark blue. I'm going to dark blue. I don't know which colors. Yellow. Yellow, green. And maybe the phthalo. I have phthalo green here. Okay, maybe phthalo, light blue, and then yellow. So let's put these over that way, and let's try these. And I'm going to do the dark color first, and then put the yellow in between, and the yellow, okay, there we go, and then gold on top. But I don't know what it's going to do. I don't know if I want to do a swipe or if I want to just, I don't know. Maybe I'll do a little, like make a little itty bitty teeny tiny pour, maybe. I don't know. I could do a, that's what I might do. A waterfall pour. Waterfall pour. Try saying that 10 times fast. A waterfall pour. Okay, first I have to get another glass because it's going to be sliding it down. So, let me grab. That's not little enough. Let me find a little one or a bigger one over here. Let me see. Yeah, got them right here. When you do this type of art, you have to have a little bit of everything, every size of everything, because it all changes. You try different mixtures of recipes and you see which ones work. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. But what I'm gonna do is, I might just do it right here. Let me see. Waterfall means you pour it like a waterfall. But that's too high. So I'm gonna go like this. And then that'll be perfect. Then when I swish it around, I can put it on my little stands. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna do the dark blue, the green, okay? Now I'm just gonna pour a little bit on the bottom because this is not a big canvas here. This is a little itty bitty 6 by 6 inch wood. I want this on my finger here. Okay, now I'm gonna do manganese next, and I'll pour it down a cup like that. Okay, haven't done these in a really long time. I'm gonna do some of my aqua here, my turquoise, on top of that one. Okay. My light blue. No, I'm doing my yellow. Naples yellow. Alrighty. I love this color, Naples yellow. It's just scrumptious. I want to eat it. And don't tell me it's not food. Come on now. All right. And do I want to put red? No. Red is a no. Because it will turn purple with my blues. I'll lay some white here. And then put my black. Ooh, I'm running out of it. pour some of, let me see. I think I have some left here. This is old too, but it should be still good. Soon find out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Now you see this is plenty of paint. All right, now the first thing first, let that sit there. Put my base coat on first. I didn't put gold. I might just put some gold here on top. Just squish it around. Okay. Just a little sparkle. Alrighty, now, I obviously don't want this to pour yet. Okay. I will have it pour off this way so you'll be able to see it. Okay. And go here. And go here. And let me see. I've never done a waterfall on such a little itty bitty thing. It's gonna be funny. And we'll see what happens. I don't know. You've got to experiment every now and then. If you don't experiment, you never come up with some new invention, you know? All right, so now I'm gonna go like this. Can you all see that? Yes. Let me move this a little bit over. Let me see it this way or this way. Let's see. Okay, you should be able to really see without any shadow. All right, now you just start pouring this on. And I'm gonna go, you have to wiggle it, it's a jiggle pour. Now you see the design you're getting? All right, now I'm gonna lift it up. Tell me that isn't cool. I'm gonna go on this side first. Oh, that is absolutely fabulous. And I go over there, this way. I like the way it looks like water just squishing up, you know? So I might even I might just go over the corner here with the black and the gold. Here you go. Which, by the way, is so cool. Oh my God, the colors are vivid. Very nice. Now I'm gonna get off that corner here. Oh, I like the way it's looking. Okay. This is outrageous. Wow. Tell me you don't love it. Do you love it or what? Now, let me move this over there and this over here. And I'll put these two over here. After I wipe off the sides a little bit, I want to just go like wipe and wipe and wipe and wipe. Okay, I'll put down here to dry. This is so awesome. Okay, so let me take my gloves off. We are done. It's a quickie, but what a success. I'll take you down, let you see. I sure do hope I hit record. Oh, I did. I'm so excited. All right, hold on, guys. Here you can see it. This is most jiggle pours. You have it coming down like it originally did, but guess what? This is fabulous. It looks like it is, look at the gold, how it just sparkles right there. Oh my God. It looks like the water's just boom right against the mountain or something. This is cool. All right, guys. Well, I hope you like this, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. And new subscribers, thank you so very much. I love this one. I think you will too. Bye-bye.